Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Skillset Go. In this video, we will learn some of the shortcuts most used while developing an Android app in Android Studio. So, after opening an Android Studio with a project, the first thing everyone want to do is work on certain class or certain file to code to develop an app. So, if it is a big project, there will be so many files, but you want certain file with the name. So, first thing you can't remember where that file is in this directory. So this is the file hierarchy of the project, but it is very difficult to find that file in this directory. So there is a shortcut to find a file or a class. So if you want to find a class with the name, just enter Ctrl N. So here you can see classes. Here you can enter any name so that we will be seeing all the classes here. Just enter. So as you can see, we have entered main. So with that name, we have main activity class. So this is a small project. We don't have many classes. That's why it is showing only one file. So then you can select that file and that file will be open. Then you can work on that class. This is a class. If you want to open a file, so here there are so many XMLs, layout files. So if you want to work on those, if you want to do Control Shift N. So for classes you have to do Control N. For files you have to do Control Shift N. So I want to find this XML activity main. Just type activity. You will get all the files with that name. Here we have two files: activity main.xml, main activity.kt. So .kt is a file in a Kotlin language. So if you want to work on activity main XML, just select activity main and click enter. So that activity main XML will be opened and you can work on this file. So these are the two main shortcuts. And the one more thing is, suppose in a file you want to go to certain line number. So just enter Ctrl G. So here you can enter line number. Suppose I want to go to line number 30. Just enter 30, click on OK. So there is no line number 30. That's why we went to the last number. Now just enter again Ctrl G and enter 4. So as you can see, the cursor went to the fourth line. So this is the third shortcut. And the next shortcut is navigation. Suppose main activity, we have set content view function, we have used button set on click listener. Suppose we went into this function, just click on this control and click on this. We went into this function, then later just click on any function here. Now we want to go back from where we came from. Now we have to do Control Alt and back arrow. Then we will go to the point where we came from. Control Alt back. See, we went one step back and again do Control Alt back arrow and we came to the original. And if you want to go forward again do Control Alt right arrow and again right arrow. So as you can see, we can navigate using Control Alt left arrow and Control Alt right arrow. So we have seen to find the files, Control G to go to the line number and to navigate. So if you want to find a word in all the files in a project, you need to do Control Shift F and you can type any word here. Just I will type button. So button is there in this activity main XML. It is also there in the line number 9 and it is also there in activity main XML 10 number and it is also there in main activity 13 number. Then you can just navigate and you can go to that line. You can see as soon as we select that line, we will be seeing that file content here. So easily we can understand and we can go to that particular line if you want to do any changes or any development. So these are the main shortcuts which are used by a developer. And there is one more important shortcut and very interesting shortcut, like main activity. We have opened a file, but we want to see where this file exists in this directory. in the project directory. So what we need to do, just click on this icon. So select open file. So we'll be going to that particular package where this file exists. Suppose let's go to Android manifest XML. So if you want to go to this file in this directory, again click on this icon. Again we went to here. So these are the main shortcuts used by any developer. I hope you like this video and understood. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.